So today I'm going to tell you why fantasy castings are really cool, innovative, funny, and they always have that creative element in them, and that's why I really like to collect them. And today I'm going to show you one such example. Welcome back to the channel. This is Kushal GT, and today we're going to unbox this. So this is Gotta Go. It is from the series called HW, designed by really amazing casting. Designed by Brendon Vetuskey, first appeared in 2017. So I'm gonna open this up real quick. It features numerous toilet and plumbing inspired design elements. If you come to the front grille, it looks like a urinal. The cab appears to be designed to represent a toilet's cistern. The cab doors are intended to appear like toilet cubicles, and the door handles are flush levers. Also, the livery on this one is so nice, and it has that humor in it. It says Vetuskey hot sauce, feel the burn. Now that is really clever. Coming to the top, it also says the same, Brendon Vetuskey Hotwheels hot sauce. The matte finish and the white, orange and grey inserts make this casting so unique and so beautiful. You can also see the pipe behind the pot. Really cool touch. Also, the rear license plate is not just a license plate, it is a toilet paper roll. That is clever as well. And now coming to the engineering and design part. First of all, I love the fenders on this one. It looks very nice, very cool. Next, coming to the mechanism on how the seat moves up and down when this rolls. So you can see here the tire, both the tires have this extension which hits the toilet seat right here, and when it rolls, the seat moves up and down. I think it's really clever and such a simplistic engineering design that has made this possible. And that is exactly why I love collecting fantasy castings. And in the year 2025, I think this really hits it out of the park for me. Not many of us have seen this casting, and this is my first time buying this casting and seeing it in person, and I really love it. This is really nice. We are going to see a recolor in the upcoming cases in India. This was imported. This has 5-spoke wheels in the front and a bigger wheel at the rear. I really like this casting. The details that have gone behind this, the livery on this one, really cool. Coming to the base, so this is the base. It says Gotta Go and all the licensing stuff. It also has a decent amount of chassis details at the rear, and this casting is exactly why I love collecting fantasy cars. They are really something. I hope you liked this video. I hope it was informative. I'll see you guys in the next one. Happy collecting.